Okay, so something crazy happened, and that is that I've been going through these trails, recording them, and then putting them on YouTube, and people are watching them, which I did not anticipate. So I'm gonna try doing a little bit better job, I guess, not making them quite so boring to listen to. I am in the middle of the admin beginner trail. We are at the module on Lightning Experience Customization. This unit is set up your org. Okay, my name is Jeff. I am a writer for Trailhead on the non-tech side of things, and I'm hoping to build my skills and learn more of the tech side of the business. And thanks for joining along with me on this journey. Okay, in this unit, we're going to learn how to describe the business value of custom objects and fields. Okay, create and edit custom objects and fields, and create a custom tab for a custom object. Well, that sounds mighty custom, doesn't it? Okay. Meet Ursa Major Solar. Ursa Major Solar is a Southwest-based supplier of solar components and systems. It's a small company with around 200 employees, but it's growing fast and looking to Salesforce to help the company blossom. Maria Jimenez, I think, its admin, is in charge of configuring and customizing Salesforce to meet Ursa Major's needs. Sounds like there's construction going on behind there. All right, this is Maria. Hi, nice to meet you. And you're based in the Southwest. Cactuses, get it? Cool. Ursa Major Solar is expanding its energy consulting business and offering a personalized energy assessment to its customers. But Ursa Major Solar doesn't have a place to track and manage the results. Using custom objects and fields, Maria is going to build an energy consulting app. That's cool. By creating a custom object called Energy Audit and creating a few custom fields for it, Ursa Major Solar can track information on its customers' energy usage and recommend which type of solar panel installation is a good fit. I honestly did not really get all of that. They're an energy consultant. Okay, so let me try to repeat this. As a consultancy agency, Ursa Major Solar wants an app to be able to track information on customers' energy usage and recommend which type of solar panel is a good fit, so that it can provide customers with the right solution. That's what it sounds like to me. And the way they're going to do this is create custom objects and fields. So as a business, we want to create an app so we could recommend something awesome for our product customers. Okay. So this is a recommendation app that's going to be based off of usage. Okay, I got that now. Okay, throughout this module, we'll follow in Maria's footsteps as she gets Salesforce into shape for Ursa Major Solar team to use. Her first task is to create an energy audit object. We'll use that in the later units, so let's get started. Create a custom object. Salesforce provides the standard objects and fields for common business records types, such as accounts, leads, and contacts. But every organization is unique and needs a way to tailor how data is stored. Ursa Major Solar is no different. Custom objects and fields give them a way to manage and store data to best fit their needs. Okay. All right. Let's create the custom energy audit object. Okay. Let me scroll down here. We're going to launch the Trailhead Playground in a new window. Hello, resourceful badger, voila, David. What's the name of my Trailhead Okay. Oh, I'm being offered to meet the transition assistant. Drive your lightning experience transition. Okay, I wasn't sure what type of car. Oh, that's transmission for a car. Transition. Alrighty. Any case, enough of that. Click Create Custom Object. Enter Energy Audit as the label. Have a plane fly by. And disrupt. Custom object. Did I do that right? Yeah. Energy audits. Description. It is used to audit energy. Haha, that was helpful. I like entering in things in the description field. Keeps me interested. Select the box to indicate that it starts with a vowel. Ha, I did that myself. In the search status section, select Allow Search. Aha, here we go. When this setting is enabled, your users can find records of this type of object when they search. Okay, cool. Select Launch New Custom Tab Wizard after saving this custom object. You'll see why in a minute. It makes me want to count 60 seconds after I click Save. Wait, am I supposed to click Save? Aha, see this? After saving this object, select Launch. I'm like, where's the Launch Custom Tab Wizard? Haha, it's not there. You first have to click Save. And then, what happened? What I just missed that part. Used to add audit energy. What? Where is it? Okay, select Launch Custom Tab Wizard after saving this custom object. Launch Custom Tab Wizard. I've got to be staring right at it. Launch Custom Tab Wizard. Wizard? Where are you, Wizard? Oh. I don't see it. I just plain old don't see it. Wizard. Boy, this is boring. Okay. Refresh the page. Easy peasy, right? Except I never saw that Launch New Custom Tab Wizard. So I feel like I didn't do this right. Pausing. Actually, I'm going to stop recording and go check back and see if I missed something. Okay, so I Googled launch new custom tab wizard because I couldn't find it. And I came to this page. Hello. Once a custom object has already been created, how do you launch new custom tab wizard? Again, I must have missed the button to have done this, so don't do what I did. I thought I was so smart in catching something that was written not clearly, but I wasn't. I do not see object creation options. Oh, yeah, I didn't see that the first time around either. So here we go. From setup, enter tabs in the quick find box, then select tabs. I'm getting chatted. We'll get to that in a second. Tabs. In the new custom, click new in the custom object tab related list. Click new. And then select the custom object to display in the custom tab. I think this is our energy audit. And what else? And that's it. Click the tab style lookup icon. Okay. Energy. What do we want to do for energy? So many choices. Okay, we gotta close this. Okay. Energy, moon. A solar panel would be good. It would be great if there was a... okay. We're pausing here. I'm turning that off. Okay. Do we have a solar panel? Energy. I'm spending way too long on this. This is really boring. I said I was going to make this boring. Yeah, it's boring. We'll do a PDA because it's just sort of ironic, I think. Okay, let's see. Maria's created the custom object, but she needs a new way to make it easily accessible to users. Creating a custom tab for a custom object is a great way to do that. I'm in the middle of doing that. Important, this is a key step in configuring a custom object. Without a custom tab, you can't add a custom object to an app. So you first create the object, and that's the thing that then is basically living there someplace. But in order for it to be seen by users, it then needs to be added to a tab. So it could be added to an app. That's cool. Let's define a new tab. That actually makes sense to me. That's sort of exciting because so the object is like in the database almost. What it is in the database, and then you're putting the tab on it, which then you can then use that to configure your app. I don't know if that explanation didn't help. Okay, but in any case, moving on. Because you selected launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object, and that whole thing was actually the tool text, which I didn't see at all when I had that option. But I didn't click it. But now I was able to go back and find it. You're right where you need to be because you Googled it and corrected your problem. And the energy audit object is already selected, which I already... Okay, yeah. Click the tab style icon and select the sun color scheme. Okay, fine. We'll do sun. Fine. I like the PDA because it was random. Okay, help text. Okay. And tab for the energy audit object. Tab for energy object. Energy audit object. It is a sun because the sun gives us energy. Yeah. Click next, the next again. Next. I just like to read this because it seems weird to me to click next twice. Add to profiles. Click the user profiles to which the new custom tab will be available. You may also examine or alter the visibility of tabs from the detail and edit pages of each profile. Okay, we'll click next again. And here we are. Choose the custom apps that you want the new tab to be available in. For now, let's make it visible for just the sales users. Deselect Include tab and select only Sales Standard. Sales. Still Standard or Lightning Sales? Standard Lightning Sales. Okay. Click Save. Note, what's a custom app, you say? No, I didn't say it, actually. But if I had, it's basically a set of fields, objects, permissions, and other functions. And I'm sorry, my eye is really itchy because I'm sitting outside and I'm allergic to grass. And other functions assembled to support a business process. We found out more about that and creating one in the next unit. Okay. I feel like I would have liked that note earlier in this unit. Now you see the details of the energy audit custom object. So actually I don't, because I didn't launch that wizard. Energy audit. But if I go back here in my audits, in my objects, here's my energy audit. Okay. Create custom fields. Maria is not done yet. The energy audit object needs some custom fields so the Ursa Major energy consultants can enter information about the audit. Besides needing the account, the audit is associated with and how much energy the customer uses. The consultants also recommend where to install the solar panels. Let's start there. Okay. Start with installing solar panels. I don't get this. The energy audit object needs some custom fields so the Ursa Major energy consultants can enter information about the audit. Besides needing the account, right? Obviously you need the account because if you're not entering information onto the account object, account's an object, right? The audit is associated with and how much energy the customer uses. The consultant also recommends where to install the solar panels. So we basically need to know the account and where to install their solar panels. The first thing to consider when creating a custom field is figuring out what type of field you need. Let's create a pick list field so the consultants can choose from a list of solar panel installation options. Okay, right. We're going to be creating a custom field. Okay, fields and relationships, click new. And then over here, we need to select what sort of data type we want this to be. And we're going to do a pick list. Field label, it's going to be type of installation. Enter the values. Enter values. With each value separated by a new line. You got it. Rooftop carport ground mounted. Ground mounted. You select use first value as default value. Okay. And then click next. Don't miss the opportunity to enter in something snarky into the description text. Actually helpful. It should be helpful. If you're doing this for real, it should be helpful. Yeah, there you go. That's a helpful, builds employee morale. Leave the field level security settings as they are and click next. All right, we're good. We're going on next. Leave the energy audit layout as selected. Establish field level security. Leave the field level security settings as they are and click next. I wish it said like at step 3, establish field level security, leave as is and click next. That'd be my preference. Leave the energy auto layout selected and click save. Add to page layouts, so that we're adding this field label, this data type, that's the name, and this is the description, and this is the layouts that we're selecting it to. So we're adding this field to the energy audit layout. And save if you're done, which we're done. That one field isn't quite enough though. The energy consultants also need to capture how much the customer is paying each month and what their monthly energy usage is. They also need a place to write up their audit evaluation. Let's create a few more custom fields to help let them do that. Unless indicated otherwise, in the parameters column, leave each field setting as is. Oh. I've got to go ahead and do this? Okay. All right. A lookup relationship. Related to energy audit. Field name. Wait. Related to account. Duh. Okay. Always require a value in this field. Right. Count the place that is getting solar panels and helping humanity save us from climate change. Next. 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 Save anew. Field type currency. Label average annual electric cost. This is actually cool. Length 16. Decimal places 2. How much the person currently pays. Is this per year? Help text. Annual cost per square foot. Take their bill and divide by annual energy bill and divide by size of home or whatever they're living in. Okay. Next. Next. Save anew. Annual energy usage. This is a number. LMN, here we go. Next. Annual energy usage. Usage per square foot. I don't think I did the always require value of this field for the other one I just did. Decimal places. Let me go back here. Look at this annual energy cost. Always require. And now a text area. Long. New. Text area long. Text area long. Click next. Field label. Auto notes. Visible lines. 5. Okay, the length here that's entered in is 32,768. That's a random number, it feels like to me. On the other hand, a max of 131,072 characters seems random too. And, okay, your notes about the meeting. Enter notes here. Duh. Okay. I just created a bunch of fields and relationships. I hope I did that right. Now the custom object is really taking shape. Nice work. And don't forget that it's easy to modify the existing custom object to fit your needs at any time. Let's say you want to sort your data even more granularly, or you want to change a text entry field to a pick list to clean up data for reports. You can always come back and get things just right for your business needs. Create energy audit records. An object is nothing without records to fill it out. An object is nothing without records to fill it out. Prior to implementing Salesforce, Ursa Major was tracking audits in a spreadsheet. Oh, the horror. Part of Maria's job as the admin is to enter all those audit records into Salesforce, and we use them later in this module. Let's get to it. I didn't really understand that. An object is nothing without records to fill it out. You don't use records to fill out objects. You have an object. Fields are built on top of objects. And then the records go into the fields. You fill in records. Okay. I'm overthinking it. Prior to implementing Salesforce, they used spreadsheets. Part of Maria's job as the admin is to enter those audit records into Salesforce, and we use them later in the module. Let's get to it. Let's get to creating energy audit records. Okay. From setup, click that icon and click all items. And under all items, click energy audits. Hey, there's the sun. That's cool, I did that. Click New. Add a record with these parameters. New. Burlington evaluation. Type of installation, rooftop. Average energy cost, 1.86. Average energy is 23. And audit notes. Cool people. They like dark beer. Might be good to helpful at some point. These numbers seem small, but they're the cost and usage per square foot. For buildings with many thousands of square feet, that adds up to a lot of energy use and a big bill. Account, Burlington Textiles Corp of America. Burlington Textiles Corp of America. curious why they gave it to me in this order with account last instead of this. I could probably configure that somewhere. I'm wondering if I'm supposed to have configured it. Okay, and type Burlington in the account fields to see all accounts that match what you entered. Well, that was easy. I did that over here. That was great. Click Save Anew. Let's add a few more records to flesh things out. Save Anew. Okay. Carport. 21.19. Sorry, wrong. U.S. Spring Assessment. Carport. University of Arizona. Got it. Average annual electric cost is 2.19. Come on. 2.19. 30. Nice people. Don't know why that's a note you would put in. Genie 0.5 year review. I don't know that I would do these audit names that would be different than. I would probably, if it was rooftop, 1.56, Genie point. $21. I mean, if it was up to me, I would probably enter the audit name as like Genie point. Like a 5-year review is not going to be meaningful like in 5 years. You'd want to like do like have some sort of like naming convention, I think. I have no audit notes for them. S Forest Los Altos Hills campus. Ground mounted. 1.77. 25. And the account is Salesforce. Save. Okay. We'll use those recent. Okay. Nice job. We'll put those into use shortly. Don't call me shortly. Ursa Major needs a custom object and custom fields to track the energy evaluations they do for their prospective customers. If you haven't already done so, complete the steps in this unit to create the energy audit custom object in your org. We'll be building it as we go through this module. If you follow along the unit and already created the object fields and records, you can go ahead and check the challenge. Did I do it or didn't I do it? That is the question. 14%. There's so much more to go. Okay. Thanks for watching.